Thank you for choosing Unnique, the premium brand of hair treatments. This video will outline the proper application technique for the Unnique Advance, Extreme, or KBS Ultra Keratin Treatment, suitable for damaged, frizzy, rebel hair. Always perform a thorough analysis on the client. Begin the hair diagnosis to determine if this treatment will be the best for the hair's needs. Prepare all your tools and begin application. Start by gently cleansing the hair with the Unnique Deep Cleansing Shampoo. Work shampoo into a lather from root to ends, massaging it gently without too much friction to avoid opening the sebaceous gland, which causes oiliness, preventing the treatment from fully adhering. Let the shampoo set for 3 to 5 minutes between every wash for a better opening of the hair cuticle. Rinse and repeat 2 to 3 times or more, depending on the cleansing needed to remove the product buildup and oils on the hair, leaving it super clean to ensure the best results and treatment for your hair. Towel dry and detangle the hair with Unnique's Vent Brush. If the hair has already been treated with any straightening procedure or hair coloring, dry about 50%. If it is a natural virgin hair, dry about 80 to 90% of the hair. Then divide the hair into 4 parts and begin sectioning diagonally. Wearing gloves, start applying the Unnique Advance, Extreme, or KBS Ultra Keratin Treatment with a thin brush a 1/4 inch from the scalp, then repeating every 1.5 inches until you reach the end. With a fine-tooth comb, pass through and remove the excess. It's important to not oversaturate the hair with product for the best sealing process and end results. Once the product is applied, be sure to prevent treated hair sections from laying across the face. Leave the treatment on the hair for 30 to 35 minutes for processed hair or 45 to 60 minutes for natural, virgin, coarse hair. Now proceed to blow dry the hair completely. Spray the Unnique Express Blow Dry evenly throughout the hair for a faster drying time and extra layer of protection. Then divide the hair into 4 parts and section diagonally to begin the flat ironing process. For colored, processed, and damaged hair, pass the flat iron 7 to 10 times with a maximum temperature of 410. For natural, virgin, and coarse hair, pass the flat iron 10 to 15 times between temperatures of 430 and 450. Let the hair cool for 10 minutes. Rinse the hair with water only. Emulsify for a few minutes and then continue rinsing completely. Continue to apply the Unnique Repair Mask. Massage thoroughly and wait 15 to 20 minutes and then rinse completely. Towel dry and detangle the hair with Unnique's Vent Brush. Spray the Express Blow Dry and style as desired. Now that the application process is complete, your client can begin enjoying the benefits of healthy, frizz-free, shiny, and smooth hair. To prolong the life of the Unnique Advance, Extreme, or KBS Ultra Keratin Treatment, be sure to send your clients home with the Unnique KBS Aftercare Kit, formulated for all different hair types to help maintain and continue enhancing your treatment. Unnique, the worldwide leader in premium hair treatments.